DMC, about to do a little bit of poetry for you guys. It's called Love is a Curse. Love is like a rose. You get a positive feeling when you look at one of those. But if you really look deep down inside, it's dying slowly as summer goes. You see, I trusted this beautiful flower to always remain the same. I thought you would never change when the weather got cold. Your color's fading, day by day you're changing. I'm getting kinda worried because how can a fake rose fade and change when the weather gets cold? It doesn't make no sense, cause I thought you were different. Even through the darkest and coldest nights, I know for a fact that a fake rose was shining at night. But you blended in with the black and white. So tell me why I picked you from the start. Tell me why I trusted you with my heart. All because love is a curse? Nah, cause if I knew this from the beginning, I would've put my feelings in reverse. But the guilt in your eyes, I look past that. I felt something in the beginning and I'm trying to get it back. I'm trying to spark it up, I'm trying to feel the vibe. I'm trying to find that love that I once had to hide. Cause water and fire just don't go together. Water kills fire, that's why we're not together.